Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into advanced settings here. Next up, go into again through shortcuts option, and here we got all our quick launch. First option is launch Google Assistant. You can activate this option or disable by tapping on the switcher. Next one is take a screenshot. Here we got two options, slide 3 fingers down and volume down plus power key. Next one is partial screenshot, press and hold with 3 fingers. Next one is launch camera option. Here we got two options, double press the power key and double press volume down when the screen is locked. Go back, and here we got turn or touch. And here it's this the same option like launch camera, double press the power key. If you try to activate this option, we got a message. Double press the power key is used for launch camera, replace or not. If you tap cancel, we activate turn or touch. If you tap replace, if you tap replace, we activate turn or touch. If you tap cancel, we activate our launch camera. So I want to activate launch camera, tap cancel, and how you can see we disabled this option, but in the launch camera its option is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.